Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you how to repurpose your YouTube videos for your Facebook page using repurpose.io. Let's get started. First, click on the New Connection button and select Facebook. Follow the step-by-step process to add your Facebook connection. Once your Facebook is connected, head over to the Workflows tab. Click on Workflows and then create a new workflow by clicking the respective button. Let's name our workflow Facebook Reels to YouTube Shorts. Next, choose your Facebook videos from your personal profile and proceed. Select the action to upload the full video and choose YouTube as your destination. If you have a playlist on YouTube, you can select it or create a new one directly from repurpose.io. Once done, review the content inside the workflow by clicking View Content. Here you'll see all your Facebook videos ready to be repurposed. But wait, there's more. Repurpose.io isn't limited to just YouTube Shorts. You can also post on TikTok, IG Reels, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even Pinterest as a video pin. And that's it. You're all set to repurpose your videos seamlessly. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try repurpose.io for free.